COVID-19 has taken over our lives in the last year, and currently it may seem scary and daunting. But here are a few simple yet important things to know and practice to manage it at home. Remember to double mask, but if you have an N95 mask, only a single mask will also do. Maintain physical distancing. Avoid crowded spaces. Wash your hands often with soap and water. Using sanitizers can be a second option. Keep your surroundings well ventilated. Keep doors and windows as open as you can. If you have symptoms or test positive for COVID-19, please do not panic. Remember to stay calm and follow simple precautions at home. Check with your doctor for medication and hospitalization requirements after getting tested. Remember, do not take any medication without consulting a doctor. Most COVID-19 infections are not severe and do not require hospitalization. If you experience any of the following symptoms, such as fever, dry cough, sore throat, breathing difficulty, body ache, loss of smell or taste, headache, fatigue, chills, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, get tested, but do not wait for the results to begin the self-care process. Isolate yourself and other family members. Immediately wear a mask, preferably 2 masks. Your family members should also wear 2 masks. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water and rest as much as possible. Monitoring your temperature and oxygen levels will help the doctor decide if you require hospitalization. Check your body temperature 2 to 4 times a day. Take only paracetamol for fever. If fever persists for 5 days, seek hospital care immediately. Monitor your oxygen levels with a pulse oximeter 3 to 4 times a day with clean fingers. Well-ventilated surroundings are a must. If your oxygen levels drop below 92%, seek hospital care. Also, lie down on your chest with your back facing the ceiling, or what is known as the prone position. Follow proning to improve lung oxygenation. Lie in the prone position first for up to 30 minutes, then lie on your right for up to 30 minutes. Sit up for another 30 minutes, then lie on your left side for another 30 minutes. Shift to semi-proning. Return to proning. Repeat for as long as necessary. Important note: avoid proning if you are pregnant or have conditions like deep vein thrombosis, cardiac conditions, spinal or fracture issues. What about COVID-19 mutation in India? Virus mutations may have higher severity and transmissibility. The B1617 strain is currently the dominant strain in India. In India, we currently have 2 vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield. Both vaccines provide immune protection against COVID-19. Why should you get vaccinated? Vaccination helps you protect yourself and others. The disease may be milder after vaccination. Follow COVID-appropriate behavior post-vaccination also. If I have already been infected with COVID-19, do I still need the vaccine? Yes, the vaccine offers better protection. Please consult your doctor or wait 14 days after recovery to get vaccinated. Will the COVID-19 vaccine protect me from catching an infection? Vaccination gives you a 70% protection rate. You can still get infected, but severe infection is definitely prevented in 95% of cases. continue to adhere to COVID-19 norms even after getting vaccinated? Can I be reinfected with COVID-19 after recovering? It is possible that you may get reinfected, but the percentage of reinfection is very low. Is a single dose of COVID-19 vaccine sufficient? As recommended by experts, both doses need to be taken as per the prescribed schedule to develop the antibodies. How long before the pandemic ends? With strict prevention measures and vaccinations, we can stop the spread of the infection. Stay strong, positive, and become India's shield against COVID-19. Brought to you in public interest by the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India.